When the mother reaches week 29 of pregnancy, she will likely notice that her internal organs are being pressed by the baby. The pressure is exerted on the liver, diaphragm, stomach, and intestines. Many pregnant women experience an increase in acidity and gas as pregnancy progresses due to the pressure exerted by the baby on these organs. The woman's breasts will enlarge and prepare for the moment of breastfeeding. Therefore, it may happen that the pregnant woman has slight spots of colostrum on her clothing. It is also possible for the woman to feel Braxton Hicks contractions in week 29 of pregnancy to prepare the uterus for the moment of delivery. As the size of the pregnant woman's belly increases, the mother will have more difficulty sleeping. For this reason, the woman may feel tired in the 29th week of pregnancy. Another consequence of the belly growing throughout pregnancy is swelling in the legs or lower back pain. Finally, nausea and vomiting are usually more common in the early weeks of pregnancy. Despite this, some women experience nausea in the 29th week as a result of having taken iron supplements for a long time or for another reason.